everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this wonderful tassels for your blanket, and I'm going to show you how to attach it on as well. So this is a blanket that I've been working on, and I'm going to put a picture of it on my Instagram when I've completed all 4 corners. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial. So for this tutorial, I'm just using a toilet roll, which I've just folded in half, but you can use whatever to give you the length of the tassel you want. You'll need some scissors. Now these are kitchen scissors, but they're the only longest ones I've got, so I use them for all my craft. You'll need a hook, and I'll show you why at the end, and you'll need yarn to make your tassel out of. So what we're going to do is just wrap it around whatever you've got. Now you can make a cardboard cutout or whatever you want. And I'm just going to wrap it around here 70 times because I want my tassel to be quite thick and chunky. But of course, it's up to you, whatever size tassel you prefer. The really small, thin tassels do look quite good as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish wrapping this around, and I'll come back to you when I've finished wrapping it around. Right, so I finished wrapping it around, and what you're going to do now is just slowly take it off. This might be a bit difficult to do if you've wrapped it around quite tightly, so just be gentle with it. There we go, nearly there. Right, you're just going to put this to one side, and what you'll have is something that looks like this. So what we're going to do is just snip this off, and what we're going to do is now cut a long thread from here, just long enough so it leaves you ends to tie on your blanket with. So I've cut mine maybe 30 centimeters long, and I'm now going to fold it in half like so. And then what you're going to do is put it through here and then tie a knot. So I'm just going to make sure I'm happy, and then I'm going to tie a knot. Just going to tie a knot twice. Now these ends are there so we could tie it onto the blanket. Right, so now what we're going to do is just get our yarn, and what we're going to do is tie a knot around here. So around the top of here, you're going to get your spare thread. Let's move this to the side and tie a knot like so. And I like to tie mine 3 times and quite tightly, just to make sure my tassel will not come apart. That's 3 knots done. And then what you're going to do is wrap this yarn around your tassel 10 times, or however many times you prefer, but I like to do it sort of 10 times. Now I'm not really counting here, but as soon as I reach a thickness I desire, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. And then what you'll do with these 2 ends is you will tie a knot again 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Now here's the fun bit. You're just gonna put your hook through there and try and find a center. Yeah, and then this is where we're gonna make our cut. So I'm just gonna put my scissors through here. This is the middle section. Just going to put my scissors through here and snip. And then what we're going to do with these 2 threads to join them in with the rest, because right now they don't, is we're going to put our hook through like so. So I'm just going to show you that one more time. We're going to put our hook through the 10 loops that we did, and then we're just going to pull it through. And do you see how much more neater that makes that look? Now if you've got threads like these, what you're going to do is just go ahead and snip them. And this is our tassel. Whoops, I've got some stray ones here actually. You could just clean up your tassel and how it looks. So I can see a few strays, so I'm going to go ahead and cut those off till I'm happier with my tassel. And here's my tassel. I'm very happy with it, and I'm ready to attach this onto my blanket. Now for all four corners, you'll need a lot of tassels. So go ahead and make the 4 that you need. This was made from a shorter template, which is this. So make sure you always use the same thing to create all your 4 tassels. I've created long ones for my blanket, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to attach it onto your blanket. Right, go ahead and find the corner of your blanket that you want to attach your tassel to. And I'm going to find the center of my corner, which is here. And what we're going to do is get your tassel, put the hook from the back in the corner that you want it, and pull this thread through like so. Right, so once you've pulled your thread through like so, you're just going to tie 2 or 3 knots. 1, 2, just to make sure it's really on there. 3. Now what I'm going to do with this one is just cut it so it's separate, and then what I'll do is I'll put my hook through here like so, and I'll just pull these through. Now this might be a bit of a struggle, but you'll get there. There we go. And there we go. You have your tassel at the end of your blanket. So now I have 2. And honestly, they're so pretty. I think they're a nice touch to the blanket. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you'll be making blankets of your own and tassels with them. So subscribe to the video if you want more tutorials, because I'll be coming back with more, and hope you will have a lovely day.